or whatever.
These two are looking to fight each other right now.
Yeah.
So, I mean, there's not really a line, but an orderly mob. Yeah, that's how it is. All right, you guys know the rules for my arena.
Yep. Well, actually, we'll have to hop in.
I know one of them. Preferably hop, but if you got like a bad knee, then you can take a knee. All right. You know my rules?
Yes, sir.
All right. Just remember, if you decide to throw one of those, it's silly and it doesn't count. Also, only smash. No stab. Yep. All right, best 2 out of 3. Begin. Nice. He's not a vampire. It doesn't work that way.
Oh. 2.
I mean, you lost your leg.
Okay.
You lost an arm on the way. So. 1 for black and white. I'll use zebra. Round 2.
Awesome.
Begin.
Oh, lost an arm.
Be aggressive. I couldn't see it clean. You lost both arms though, right?
Well, I think I hit you in my foot.
Yeah, feet don't count. Alright. Final round, I think. I don't know. Let's do final round. Begin.
Okay.
Awesome.
Headshot.
Headshots don't count.
Nope.
Oh, you got me. I like it.
That was the other arm. However, because it's hot.
Valiant effort. Valiant effort.
Because it's hot, I'm not going to make people keep going until they die.
Where are you going?
No shield.